Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we have something special. A 1986 Honda Z50RD Christmas Special. So guys, 1986 Honda Z50RD Christmas Special. This is a friend of mine's and it needs a brake shoe. So we're going to put that in there. They made estimated about 3,000 of them. They were sent to dealers. This one is a clone. This is a 1986 Z50R, not an RD. And then it was made to look like a Christmas Special. And the Christmas Specials had everything that was visible was chromed. The frame, the tank, the fenders, the side covers were polished, handlebars were chromed, forks, everything. The wheels, everything was chromed that was visible. Like I said, this one is a clone. These things have exploded recently. Well, in the last maybe 7 or 8 years, they really went up in price. We're going to take and change this front brake shoe because I have it right here. And then we're going to take this sucker for a ride. Let me get this axle off. So guys, like I said before, these things have exploded. And they're trading easily for, $8,000, $9,000 a full-on Christmas Special. Make sure it's not going anywhere on my full-on Christmas Special, which is the reason why somebody would take the time to make a clone, because it's still worth, $4,000 or $5,000. People will still buy it because they can get a bargain Christmas Special and don't have to turn one into it yourself. So let me get this sucker out of here. It's crazy at how these little mini bikes hold their value. Is that going to stay on there? I think it should. There we go. So, see, I have brake. This one's just missing the liner on this side, the lining on this side. So we'll pop this guy out, and then we'll I didn't even check and see what we got. Make sure we have the right part. Looks as though we do. Okay, so it looks like we're going to have to go this way first. Like I said, if somebody knows how to do this, go ahead and smack it in the comments. Let me know down below, because I've done this exactly 0 times. And I could have looked up instructions, but it can't be that hard, right? These go in there, that goes in there. This guy goes right there. Pretty easy. I think I may have it figured out. There you go. Super easy if you do it the right way. Perfect. Let me put this thing back on. Got the little wire brush on here, so let me just hit this with a little brake clean and wipe it off. Screw it on to the bottom of that, just so I don't have to up. You know what we forgot? That guy, right? So we're going to do it one more time. So make sure you put all the pieces and parts in where they go. So when you go back together, the good thing is that if it's worth doing once, it's worth doing 3 or 4 times. And you just get better at it. Guys, I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy in his garage that manages to put this stuff back together. Good thing about these little motorcycles is you can pretty much just, oh shoot, missed it. Do it all at, because they're light enough, you can do them, not have to worry so much about them falling over on you if you can hold them up. Good, that's on. Let me tighten it up and I'll get back to you in just a second. Okay, let's go ahead and start this sucker up. Here we go. Oh, I'm in the right gear. Chilly out today. Try not to get run over. Oh, I should have adjusted the brake. We're going to come here, take a photograph. We'll go into neutral. We'll cut it off. I'll adjust the brake because I didn't do that before. So, okay. We got a photograph. We adjusted the brake. Let's start the sucker back up. Could you imagine getting one of these for Christmas? Okay guys, so there you have it. Our little Christmas special, Christmas clone. Nice guy to have around. Super cool. Loads of fun to ride. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Plan B Motos, and Pete's Classic Cycle, and Lady Moto Bang, and give those guys a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.